Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Carlos, and let's get right into this dish. So as you can see by the title, today we're gonna be making vegan caramel chicken using oyster mushrooms. All right guys, so first we're gonna add some oil to a pan, some chopped up onion and garlic, and then we're gonna mix together until translucent. Then we're gonna add our brown sugar, and then we're gonna mix the brown sugar together. And then we're gonna add our mushroom flavored dark soy sauce. And then you're gonna go in with some powdered nori, and you're gonna mix that in until it starts to get thick. Once it gets thick, you're going to add some coconut milk and rice vinegar. Once most of the liquid has evaporated, then you're going to add some salt and pepper, and then you should get a thicker consistency. Just be careful not to burn it. Now at this point, this is when you add the pan-seared oyster mushrooms. Now we just seared the oyster mushrooms with some oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. But you can do this with tofu or another chicken replacement if you decide to. Just make sure that you coat all of the pieces evenly. And now it's ready to be served. Just gonna top with some red chili peppers and cilantro. Enjoy. When me and Dominique were first dating, we used to go to this restaurant in Long Island and we would get this dish called caramel chicken. Now obviously we were vegan and we haven't had it since, so we thought, okay, let's veganize this for you guys. Traditionally this dish uses fish sauce. Now we use oyster mushrooms today, but you can use any vegan plant-based meat alternative that you want. There's all type of vegan chicken brands out there. There's, different type of mushrooms you can use. You can use tofu, whatever you have on hand. Feel free to use in this dish. It'll still taste just as good. Obviously, fish sauce is not vegan. Now, there are a couple vegan fish sauce brands, but the mushroom seasoning gives it the nice umami flavor. It gives it like the saltiness. So that's why we use the mushroom seasoning, and then we added the nori to replace the fish sauce. If you don't feel like doing all of that or you don't have it on hand, you can just replace it with soy sauce. Obviously, the flavor will be slightly different, but it'll be just as good. You can also replace instead of using the coconut milk, you can use coconut water. You can use either or. You just want to make sure that you cook this dish down to get the caramel sauce nice and thick so it coats the mushrooms nicely. And remember, we don't say bye, we say later. Until next time, guys.
Hush, I feel your touch against mine.